In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an Evernote note as a PDF on your mobile device. If you need to keep a copy of an Evernote note for sharing, printing, or storing offline, this is a simple way to do it using your phone's built-in browser and print options. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without missing anything. Start by opening the Evernote app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, find and open the note you want to export. Make sure you're in the correct note before moving on, especially if you're working with something important that you want to save in the right format. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the note. This opens the Note Options menu. From there, select Open in Light Editor. After you tap that, the note will open in your mobile web browser instead of inside the app. This step matters because the browser gives you access to more sharing and printing options than the app normally does. Once the note is open in your browser, tap the browser's three-dot menu. The exact look may vary a little depending on whether you're using Android or another mobile browser, but the option you need should still be easy to find. In that menu, select Share and then tap Print. When the print screen appears, look for the printer selection or output options and choose Save as PDF. This tells your device that instead of sending the note to a printer, you want to create a PDF file. Finally, select the location on your device where you want the PDF to be saved and confirm the save. It's a good idea to choose a folder you can easily find later, like downloads or documents. And that's it. Your Evernote note is now saved as a PDF and ready to view, share, or back up whenever you need it.